The wood is extremely dry. I don't really see anything. I found only one so far. What was this? That's the only one that I found. The wood seems to be super dry for any mushrooms. That's strange though. There were plenty of rain, but it's still very crisp. Can't see anything. Pretty weird. But at least got some fresh air and it's pretty beautiful. So it's good. It's your classic forest in Russia. Classic forest. I think might have more luck near the road. Probably on the open areas it's too dry. There's nothing here. I don't know. Just don't see nothing. We need more darker, swampy areas, as it seems. Just don't see anything except for the snakes. I'm not really sure. I'll try to get closer to the road, probably. Maybe more luck there. Because there's like nothing there. Everything is super dry. Not a single one that I see. Not even bedrooms. Not even the bedrooms. Like everything seems to be dead. That's strange though. Yeah, it's like it's a desert. Try to get back to the road. See maybe something there. These are called the raw eating shrooms. You can eat them raw. These ones. Eating them raw. This is a good one. It's super dry for any mushrooms. Very little that I managed to find. They all dried out. These are called, I don't know how they call it in English, but these are one of the best that you can find. They're juicy, sweet, and very tasty with onions. That's the main thing that we gather here in Russia. That's very good. I haven't, this is like the only that I've found so far. So very little mushrooms because the forest is very dry. Put it over here. There's practically nothing there. I found a shit ton of berries and I just want to be eating this right there. Just want to be picking this up. Look how juicy they are. Oh my god, that's a nice one. So I'm gonna be eating all of that. Oh, that's a lot. So instead of mushrooms, it's not bad. It's very fresh. It's very green, actually. Very tasty. Now is the harvest season for this, so there's a lot of this. Just can eat like crazy. The darker the place, the more of these things I hear. Oh, there's a lot of them. I literally step on these things because there's a lot. So it's pretty good to eat something. I haven't found any moose poop so far. Yeah, previous year I found a lot of moose poop, which is very, very nutritious as the fertilizer. In Sweden they gather this and sell for big money, but I haven't found anything this year. All right, let's get going, I guess. Try to find more mushrooms. Another thing that I pick up is the firing resin, or the firing resin, I guess. I don't know how it's pronounced in English, but that's the thing there on top. As you can see, I think you can. So it's right there. Just taking like this. Resin is extremely important for all kind of infection. That's very, very good for infection. If you get something in your thumb, any kind of infection, it just sucks in all the infection. It's super strong. It's an ancient thing and it works the best, better than any antibiotics or anything like that. So you need it fresh, so that should be fresh like that, so it can be applied to the thumb or something. So I just try to get it like that. This is not fresh. Oh yeah, this one is good. All right.